Sadie jumped off the boat into the water. Matt immediately threw up his shirt, dove in the water, and he's our captain. That was so crazy. It's insane. But she's okay, and Sadie can swim. My dress got completely soaking wet when Sadie jumped in the water. So we laid it out to dry. It's still a little damp. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. Oh, that looks yummy. How's it brittle?
Brittly.
Very brittle.
Beep, train coming through. Beep, beep. Only an Arrowhead.
Johnny is airdropping crazy photos to people, and it's that guy. Awesome, thank you. Laura and I are taking the best seats while the boys are in the bathrooms.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Matt. Look at us with our martini glasses. We're so cute. Hey, baby girl. Sadie, what are you doing, baby? What are you doing? What are you trying to get? Happy birthday to you. You know they are. We go home today. I'm just outside enjoying some coffee, looking at the view one last time before I start to pack everything up. It was so much fun. I don't want to go home. I wanted to show you my little shower life hack thing. Let's go look at it. So here's the tiny little rectangular shower, and here is my little travel life hack. This little rack only cost $1 at the Dollar Tree, and this way all your stuff can hang up. I got my face wash, and you don't have to worry about things falling on the ground. I just love it. So So another little life hack I want to show you is kind of how I pack back up again. And so right here I have my suitcase that has like shoes, clothes that weren't worn that are clean. Anything that's clean will go into this bag. And then I had brought with me my foldable laundry basket, which I had put our towels and our sheets in and everything. And then I've just been putting our dirty clothes into this guy. And then what I do from here is I can leave them in the laundry basket, or I could take this bag that now has nothing in it. All clothes are packed in both bags. But as you go through clothes, you know, the bag becomes empty. And so what I do is that I take all this dirty clothes and I put it into one bag. So when I get home, I know what's clean and I know what's dirty, and then I don't have just like a huge mess. So I try to contain all the dirty clothes, dirty towels, anything into one space. And when I get home, it's just much easier. And so now I have all our dirty clothes in this one bag, so I know it needs to be washed when I get home. Now, depending on how many days you're staying somewhere is depending on which bag you'd use. Like, this is the bigger bag right here, but we have a bunch of shoes, you know, PJs and big sweaters that I didn't need because I didn't know how cold it was gonna get at night. So those guys are in here, and we were only up here 3 days, so the smaller bag is big enough to fit all our dirty clothes. Now, had we stayed for maybe a week, this would be opposite. I'd be putting all the dirty clothes into the bigger bag because we'd have less clean stuff left. So I'd put all the shoes and blow dryers and flat irons and my makeup into this bag right here. Dirty stuff, clean stuff, and that's what I do when I go on vacation. And also now my laundry basket is empty, so I can put the sheets and our pillows and our blankets back into it, so it's all nice and organized in the car. And I know you're loving my shirt right now. Oh snap. Also, so we have a blow-up mattress here, which is nice. It's like the double layer one, but I have an egg carton kind of foam that I put on top of the mattress just because it's more comfortable. Little thought for you. I just kind of wanted to show you the little tiny room we got to stay in that I talked about earlier. Look how cute this is. This is like a tiny door in this cute little tiny room. Little air mattress goes right there. Little window, and that right there in the corner is a little fireplace for the winter time. Cute little cabin. Goodbye, little house.
Don't touch the table or anything.
Okay.
Special card.